The Zanu PF gangs invaded a private hospital in Harare Avenue Clinic, where 15 operations were underway. The director, Malcolm Boyland, kept a diary of the 3-week ordeal he faced before deciding to flee the country. Sandapina mashokonzi aiwa sipichira muri kuona this hospital chinzi aiwa this hospital panguva ino aiwa it has been invaded nakuona with the regime aiwa chiriko chinonzi kugwadza vanhu uri kusubscribe like out on the bell icon tipinda anomuramira chiti we had 20 men burst into the office and I was surrounded by yelling men and ugly mood. We had been in a management team meeting 1 minute and in terror the next, all aggressive and insolent to different degrees, all impatient and very deliberately rude. I managed to get the whole vets out of the hospital into the boardroom, away from the patients in a separate building. We were harangued and threatened in quotes. We will march you to Zanu PF offices and put you in a room with no door. The police were called but did not come. The whole veterans demanded payment over a labor dispute that had occurred 6 years before, giving a deadline of 6 hours. Exhausted and fearful of assault, Boyland eventually agreed to pay out 6 million. Thereafter, the whole veterans returned, making now demands. After receiving a telephone call threatening death, Boyland decided to leave. Mugabe, power, plunder, and the struggle for Zimbabwe's future. Domashkwana kudai kwa pana pana wachidescribe aiwa kusaiziwa kwaitwa aiwa the hospital panapo wachoclaim wachiti aiwa the regime aiwa yakakonzeresa kuinvada kwethis private hospital. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitwa chimene comment section yedu. Mafunguro enyu sana subscribe like and on the